Hey everybody, this is Gabriel from AceVacuums in Fairfax. On today's video, we are going to be talking about the Sanitaire Professional Upright Commercial Vacuum. This is a vacuum that weighs under 18 pounds, comes with a 7 amp motor with a 10-year warranty on the motor. That makes it one of the best commercial vacuums. Without further ado, let's go to some of the features. Starting with, it comes with an ergonomically built rough and tough plastic handle with on and off switch at your fingertip. It comes with a long 35-foot power cord covering large areas without unplugging. It also has two plastic hooks for your cords. There's one here and then there's one here. It comes with a bag, style ST bag. The inner bag, as you can see, is a large bag with a dust capacity of 6.1 dry quarts. So you don't have to worry about changing the bags that often. And talking about the body of the vacuum, it comes with a chrome steel. It has a powerful headlight where you can vacuum in low lit areas without much fuss. And also it has a 6-level height adjustment from low to high pile carpeting. As you can see, it goes all the way low and up to low to high pile carpeting. It comes with a metal brush roll and replaceable brush strips. In case your brush roll runs out, you don't have to change the complete brush roll. Just pop out the old brush strips and put in the new one. It comes with two plastic wheels for better maneuverability. And it's got the fan, right? You can see the transparent covering in case of dust or something that goes in, you can easily clean it. And this is the release for you to change the brush roll. Here you have just single belt that holding it, very sturdy one that will last you for many years, making this one of the best commercial vacuums, especially for carpets and rugs. So nothing much. That's it about this successfully launched Sanitaire commercial vacuum. Hope you liked this video. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye.